Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix error code 0x887A0005 and hexadecimal C0000005N on Warfare 2 on PC. Method 1. Update your drivers and operating system. Out-of-date drivers and operating systems can cause a variety of issues and are one of the first things to check when a game is having problems. The following instructions will help you check and update your drivers. Finally, restart your computer before starting the game again. Method 2. Disable on-demand texture streaming. Launching Warfare 2, then go to Options. Select Graphics. Select Quality. Scroll down and you will see on-demand texture streaming. Click on arrow to disable it. After that, click Apply Settings. Now, go back to your fight and see if the issue still bothers you. Method 3. Stop overclocking. Overclocking CPU, RAM or GPU can make your system more powerful, but with it comes instability and system overheating. So try stopping the overclock, then enjoy your game and see if this helps. Method 4. Play the game on full screen and change the graphics quality. First, if you are playing game with display mode is windowed, then change to full screen. If the problem persists, then change the graphics quality by lowering it. The simplest is to leave everything back to the original default. Click Reset tab. After that, if the problem persists, then set it to a lower graphics quality. Finally, make sure that your system does not overheat or overload while playing Warfare 2, as this is the main cause of this error. That's it guys, hope these help you. If there is any other method, please leave a comment below the video. Thanks.